What's up, ladies and gentlemen? So today I have a new YouTube channel. This is gonna be my vlogging YouTube channel. My other's gonna be my gaming channel. And Victor, for the first video, we're gonna be a boat tour. And Victor, you're gonna be our tour.
Okay, let me.
No. So, hey, stop.
Give me the effing phone.
Hey, and so.
Give me the effing phone.
So we have this.
F you.
Stop it, Victor.
What? It's not bad.
Okay, just don't say that though. Okay, so all right, just be quiet. All right, so look at all that. Come on, Victor.
I'm going this way, so it's fast.
Okay, Victor's going that way. Paul's here. Oh, yeah. We're in our boat. Open this. Let's go. Wait, sure. Stop. All right, let's go. Go. Here, take it. Okay, so we made it. We were out there. There's a hole.
Bomb shelter, guys.
So
Look what we did.
there's a seat right there. Seat right there.
Oh my god. Easy.
Some
It
sun.
won't open. It actually won't open.
You actually. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Oh, so the seat's right here. The seat's right there. The wheel. It says dab control. These are fans, and yeah, this is my favorite part. Man, I'm alone. I'm not alone. What is this guy? Hello. There's a charging station.
You want to beat me?
No, I'm good. Alright. So, yeah, this is pretty cool right here. All that. And yeah, we're gonna go outside now. Oh, what the heck is that sunlight? Oh,
It's like we're in a bunker, see?
yeah.
We're in a bunker and we just closed.
Come on, let's go, Victor. Oh no! And also, guess what? This is an anchor. It's an anchor. Okay, go. Whoa, you got that thing? And yeah, so it's a nice boat. What is this kid doing?
No. End the video.
Okay, there's the boat. Okay, we are going to get a great view of the boat. It's a great view. This other great view. And Victor's up there. Hi, Victor. Hi. He's in the floss. Nice. And yeah, this is a great boat right here. A really great boat. And yeah. If you like this video, leave a like on it, subscribe to Tristan Wolfgram, also subscribe to Wolf Turbo, and also subscribe to Victor Bowen. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, Victor!